Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are planning to build a professional website for your coffee business, then this is the best option for you. Here you can see this is a professional website that is built on WordPress platform with Astra theme. So just you can scroll down. Here you can see all the sections are created by professional developers. So just you can get this type of website for your own business. So let's see how it works. It has a professional header menu. It has a logo option. Just you can add your own logo as well as add your own menu. After that, it has a body section that has images as well as some content. After that, it has coffee products. Just you can add your own products as well as prices. After that, you can add delivery charges as well as many other sections. Just you can add about content for your company, as well as here you can see on the bottom it has a professional footer section where you can add your contact details, your business hours, as well as you can add a little detail about your company, as well as you can add social media icons where customers can directly contact you. After that, it has our menu page. So let's see how it looks. Here you can see this is a menu page. Just you can add various coffee products and you can offer various flavors to your customers. So let's see how we can get this type of website within a couple of clicks. To build any type of WordPress website, you just need two things. One is called domain, so that is basically your website name, and the second one is called hosting, where your website files are stored in a server. So here you can see these are the top famous companies. So these are the hosting providers that you can compare prices. So this is almost $3 monthly, and also you can check here HostGator. So scroll down and let's check. These are the hosting packages that you can select one of these. Just here you can select starter package, and after that on the next page here you can see this is a section that you can fill out a form. But before that, you can just add your domain name. So make sure that your domain name will be unique. Like if we add Amazon, so you will not be able to purchase this domain because this name is already taken. And after that, just you can scroll down. Here you can see these are some options that you can add. And after that, just click here and make payment. After that, you can just go here and sign in to portal. After that, in dashboard, here you can see in hosting. So this is the hosting package that I have purchased. After that, just click here on manage, and after that just click here settings. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the name servers that we need to connect in our domain so that our domain and hosting will be connected. So just I can copy these, and I have purchased hosting from this company, hostinger.pk. Here you can see this is the domain name, latestfullhdmovies.com. just click here on manage, and after that here you can see in name servers, just click here change name servers. After that, scroll down. Here you can see these are the current name servers. Just you can replace with your own name servers, and after that just I can copy this second one, add here. After that, just click here on save button. In this way you can connect your domain with your hosting. After that, the next step is just go to cPanel, and we need to install WordPress in our domain. So now you can see the cPanel has loaded, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are various features that you can use and learn step by step. After that, just click here app installer. So this is a basic tutorial that you can create your own website. Here you can see these are some platforms that you can use. Just click here, the first one, WordPress. After that, scroll here and click here on install now. After that, here you can see for SSL security you can just add HTTPS, and normally it is used HTTP. After that, you can select one of domains that you want to install WordPress. After that you can select WordPress variant, and after that if you get WP here, just you can remove this one. The next you can add here website login detail, username, password, your own email address. After that here you can add site name, description, and here you can select the plugins that you want to install by default. So this is important plugin if you install. After that scroll down, here you can select one of theme. The next you can click install now button, and after that WordPress will be installed. So this is the way that you can install WordPress, and after that let's check what we can do. At this step WordPress is installed in our website. So now you can see how a fresh website looks on WordPress platform. In this website just we need to log in. So how we can log in? Just add wp-admin after your domain name. After that here we can add login details. So now just click here on login button. You can see we have logged in into our WordPress website. So this is a website dashboard, that how it looks. After that just you can go here appearance and themes. Now you can see by default this theme is active, and after that you can install new themes. And if you want to upload any premium theme file, just you can click here and upload your theme zip file. After that you can select any of these free themes. So this is a themes library that contains thousands of WordPress themes. Just install, and after that we can activate this theme. So here you can see it takes just few seconds. So just activate it, and after that we need to install and upload some plugins. So just click here on add new. After that here you can see I want to install this plugin, classic editor, classic widgets, and after that I want to install some more plugins. Really simple SSL. So this is a plugin that can install SSL in your website, and you can increase your website security. But I already have SSL. You can see this is a site lock, so that means my website is secure. After that you can add this one, and now I can add some plugins from my laptop. Here you can see I have, just I can select plugins from resources folder. Here you can see these are some plugins that I need to install. So if you just need any of these plugins, just you can type in the comment section and I will send you link so that you can download these premium plugins and install in your website. So guys, you can see how easy to design a WordPress website and how is to install and plugins in WordPress website. So this is the easiest way. Just within few clicks you can install any of premium plugins as well as free plugins in your website. Alright, now you can check. I have installed Elementor Pro, but I got notification so that I need to install Elementor free variant. And after that I can select inactive plugins. Just I can use bulk option. Select here, activate, click here, apply. So now you can see so it has activated all of plugins that are installed. As you can see, the website has clean and simple interface, but we want to add this professional website design in our simple website. So let's see how it works. Just go to dashboard. After that you can find out appearance option. Here you can see, and go to submenu starter templates. After that scroll down. Here you can see the button build your website now. After that select the Elementor page builder. So now you can find out hundreds of pre-built templates. So these are the templates that comes with Astra WordPress theme. Just you can find out any template according to your business category, as well as you can type a keyword. For example, here you can see I have added a keyword. So now I can select this template. As you can Here you can fill out a form with the small details. Scroll down, here you can see submit and build my website. Just click here and after that you will get this type of professional website design. Now if you want to change this logo, just you can go to customizer options. Here you can see on the left side it has header builder, as well as you can go to site title and logo. Here you can see this is the logo image. Just you can add your own company logo, as well as if you want to change this menu setting, just go to menu page. Here you can see on the menu page you can see how it looks. Just you can add any of these. For example, I can add this. After that you can sort your menu. Here you can see drag and drop functionality. If you want to remove anything, just click here and remove. After that click here save menu. Now if you want to change this background image, as well as you can edit any type of content, just click here edit with Elementor. After that here you can see just you can edit any of these. Click here section settings. After that go to style tab. Just you can see. After that here you can see the content. So let's see how it works. Background overlay. So here you can see the images available in the background overlay section. Just you can upload your own image. Now just click here on the content. Here you can add your own text. For example, so here you can see how easy to edit any type of text or images in Elementor. In this way you can edit a complete website within a couple of clicks. How you can accept payments in your WordPress e-commerce website. Just you can go here, WooCommerce settings. After that go to payments. So now here you can add your store details, your country, state, and scroll down. Here you can see by default currency is selected dollars. Just you can change it whatever you want. After that here you can see these are by default options: cash on delivery, check payments, direct bank transfer. And just you can enable one of these, and you can also enable all. After that, if you want to accept payments with PayPal or Stripe, how you can do that? Just you need to install a plugin. Just you can go here, plugin sections, type PayPal, and after that here you can see these are some plugins that you can install. As you can see, the first plugin rating is very down. Just we can install this second one. So it has 5-star ratings and active 52 installations. Just we can install the plugins, and after that we just need to go in plugin settings. Here you can see, just click here on settings, and after that here you can see this is a button connect to PayPal. So just you can directly connect, and here you can see it is loading. Just you can add your PayPal information like login details. After that it will be automatically connected. So the next, these are some options for manual integration. Just you can copy your production client ID from your PayPal account. After that you need a secret key. The next step is just you can add webhook ID. After that just click on save changes. So this is the way that you can get your professional online store for your any type of business.